Those ears light up. These are the PowerLocus P2 Kids headphones that work wired and wirelessly. I was sent these to review and they are amazing. So let me show you a closer look. Cute little velvety kind of carry pouch here. Love that. Makes it so handy for travel or just throwing in a drawer. Oh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the little cat ears. I'm in love. That is too cute. Oh my gosh. On the inside, left and right, super easy for kids. Look at how nice and padded and comfortable that's gonna be. Adjustable. They fit me. So cute. I can't even. Okay, but here is how it adjusts. You could do a little bit, you could do the whole way, and that's all the way shortest. The material is really nice, kind of a matte. I actually don't even know what this material is. It almost feels like a silicone. It's really nice, not a plastic feeling. Really nice. That's the whole way around, even the headband part. The inside here is just slightly padded. And then the ears are really nicely padded. On the right ear, you've got your auxiliary cord, so you can use it wired. I love that option, so that's great for airplanes or plugging it into something like your laptop or whatever if it doesn't have Bluetooth. And then you can charge it up and use it wirelessly if you have something to connect it to via Bluetooth. It also has a micro SD slot, so that's not provided, but if you have one, you can use that. So convenient, gonna work universally because it's wireless with Bluetooth, micro SD slot, and auxiliary cord. We're gonna go ahead and charge it up. It does not come with a power block. This is a micro USB cord, so if you lose this or whatever, you probably have one lying around, not a big deal. And then you just need a USB slot, so either in your computer or your own wall block. Let's go ahead, we're gonna plug it in here. And I'm just gonna plug it into my power station over here. Got a little charging indicator going on here. I am filming on my phone, so I can't connect to Bluetooth via that, but I'm gonna test out the wired method here. I'm gonna plug it in here and into my computer. And then also on your right ear, you've got all the controls here. That's easy to access back here. And then on the back of your right ear is your power button. Oh, those ears light up. Oh, we're changing colors. Oh my gosh. I've got the volume maxed out on my computer into here, and this is maxed out. Protecting kids' ears, you guys. I love it. 85 decibel maximum. Perfection. That's so good. What's the mode? Line in, pairing, FM. You can get radio. And back to line in. Okay. You can turn the lights off. You just long press the mode button. So that way, like, I'm thinking in school, the teacher won't want them to have the lights on, like distracting other kids. So you can just long press to turn that off and back on. So fun. Really great sound quality. It sounds amazing. Super cute, very comfortable. Ear protection for your kids because they have it set at a maximum 85 decibels, which is amazing. So important so kids aren't damaging their ears by just blasting music, right? Oh, I love that you can use them wired or wirelessly because these are great for school. Some schools require them to be wireless, others require them to be wired. So either way, you are covered. Great for travel. Oh my gosh. And they're just so stinking cute. And the lights are on the front and the back. My kids are gonna love these and yours will too. But honestly, I think I may have to get a couple more pairs because I have twins. They're gonna fight over these and I want a pair for myself. They are for kids and they are fairly adjustable. So there's quite an age range there. And as I showed you, perfect for adults too. They do make versions without the ears if that's just a little too cute for your kids and they want a more basic headphone. They also make one with like a unicorn horn. I love them, and I know you will too.